12 go-to ideas for your content calendar. Are you a professional content strategist? Or are you an entrepreneur trying to build your business digitally? If you are any of them, then this video is worth watching for you. The biggest crisis that every content strategist faces is running out of ideas. No matter how creative you are, there always come those days when you face a creative block, and for such days, you should have a content bank. Hey guys, my name is Asta from PaperVideo. So today I will tell you 12 content ideas to add to your content calendar. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Number 1, lists. Lists are every marketer's favorite. You and I both love them. But most importantly, the audience loves them. The audience loves to know the choices, and listicles give them hundreds of options. Number 2, how-to. How-to content tells step-by-step process-driven information to help the audience do something. How-to content is naturally a popular one because it teaches people how to apply learning practically. Number 3, questions and answers. Q&As are great because they're genuinely useful. We can take the questions that our audiences want to know from us and turn them into great content by just answering them. Number 4, why. Why content explains everything. So if people are looking for explanations, your why content can be very helpful for them. Number 5, case studies. You don't always have to tell your story all by yourself. Case studies reveal how you've helped your customers and solved their problems, and they can be much more trustworthy. Number 6, testimonials. Testimonials are pretty similar to case studies, except that a specific customer tells your story directly from their perspective in testimonials. Number 7, quotes. You can use different quotes, but the quote doesn't mean that you can only use any influencer's quotes. You can use a snippet from your customer's testimonials. You can also use other snippets from your company's interviews or conclaves. Number 8, interviews. Interviews work very well on social media, and you can organize an interview with one successful person in your industry by sitting at your home. And this home sitting activity can create a massive hype in the market. Interviews are one of the best types of content to reach and engage with a broader audience. Number 9, versus content. People like comparisons. They want to know which one is the best and what they should buy. And being a marketer, you must compare products and brands. It would be best if you told people what is best for them. Number 10, company news. Treat your audience as your family. Share your success and updates with them. Tell them who the new joiner is and how you performed that well last year. Tell them specific details like, is your office shifting to a new place, or something like that. Number 11, tell your story. Get personal and share your life story with your audience. Tell them your success story. You can also tell some personal stuff and make the session fun. Number 12, ask. I have only mentioned what you should tell your audience, but here I am telling you to ask. Everybody is human, so ask questions. Ask them their weakness and strength. Build a good relationship with your audience. These are a few of the content ideas that you can add in your content bag. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Share any tips that work for you in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching.